Hi guys! Have you ever wondered what your prints will look like on colored t-shirts without any white ink? Now, sometimes that may work, especially if you're printing on light colored to medium colored shirts. So, let's take a look at a few examples and you can gauge it yourself. Here's one that I did on a gray shirt. And this is without white ink. Now, here's a gray shirt with the same graphics, but this time with white inks. See how the colors are more vibrant. A different look, but both products definitely sellable. Look at this yellow shirt without any white ink. Look at this one with white ink. The colors pop, there are no color shifts. So this looks great as well. Now let's take a look at other side-by-side samples with prints done without white inks and with white inks. I printed a whole bunch of toddler and youth shirts. They were so cute, so I had to make one for me. And I decided to use white ink with CMYK just because I wanted the colors to pop. Now keep in mind, whenever you use white ink, you will need to pre-treat your t-shirt. We have a variety of how-to videos, and one of them is how to pre-treat in 3 quick steps using the pre-treatment in a spray bottle. And that's the method I used before I printed all these shirts with white ink. So go have fun, print with white inks, without white inks, see what works for you, and I will see you next time.